Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. I'm out here at San Felasco Hammock Preserve located in central Florida, and I really enjoy this wilderness. It's really beautiful out here. There's many miles of trails and places to explore. Lots of biking trails and places to hike. Very popular for equestrians as well. There's a lot of interesting history here. Many layers of history. At one time this area was ranches, and I'm sure there were homesteads out here. And today, as I'm roaming through this wilderness, we're going to see what we can discover along the way. Some wide open spaces out here. Over here are some interesting remains from the past. Part of an old pump. Some more remains over here. See some of the old fencing around the area. Some more traces from the past out here. And it's all overgrown just beyond this area here. So it's just some of the history that's still remaining here. Even part of a well or something like that. Really enjoying it out here. Getting deeper into the woods. There's a maze of trails I've been following. And along the way I've been seeing some wildlife, a lot of deer. And they're very curious. And a lot of times I'll walk up on them. I try to get a video, but they take off. But I have been seeing a lot of them out here. That's always nice. think I'm getting close to where an old ranch or farmstead area used to be. Wow. Out here in the wilderness, came across this structure. This is really interesting. May have been part of a ranch site or something like that out here at one time. And it's a fairly large structure. There's a covering here. There's a door here at the front of the structure. Let's go in and take a look around. And it's empty inside here. You see the roof here is collapsing. Exploring around this structure, you see this old path out here. It's overgrown, but looks like it was one of the old roads that went by this area. It's really neat to see this structure out here still standing. And what I think about oftentimes when I come out and see places like this is, imagine the structure is still here 50 to 100 years from now. That'd be really amazing. And people at that time can come out here and experience this place. And by that time, it'd be really old. And who knows how much of the structure will be left, but I imagine if left undisturbed, that structure will stand for a long time to come. Some old posts around this area. There is a large sinkhole just over that way. Some ruins out here. You see there was part of a structure in this area one time. part of a concrete foundation over here. You can see some of the old fencing goes along that way. Some really beautiful trees out here. Seeing a lot of remains throughout the woods here. And this area may have been where some old farm silos used to be. You can just see the foundations from them. Some of the siding still remains. There's two more over there. Another foundation over here. Looks like some piping going into the ground there. You can see part of a pipe here coming out of this foundation. Looks like there was part of a structure here. Very interesting. way out here in the woods. Some flowing water over here next to this structure. So you can see some water flowing out of the ground up there. And there's part of a structure here. Looks like some piping. So I can see this water trickling down from up there at the top of this sink. Well, I explored for a good while today around this preserve, and there's just so much more to see out here though. So many more trails and places to roam that I haven't been to yet. Every time I come out here, I just want to keep going and exploring and see what else I can find, what can be around the next trail. And that's what keeps me coming back out here, and I really enjoy this place. So I will be coming back out to explore and hike these woods in the future, that's for sure. I found a lot out here today, and a lot of stuff I didn't expect to see. And that's usually how it goes. I'll have a general idea of what I'm looking for in many cases. But as I'm getting to those areas, I often come across stuff that I didn't expect to see, or I'll find things I hadn't seen before out here. It's always an adventure, and I truly enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to be hiking back towards the trailhead right now. Still got a ways to go, so you may see some other stuff out here, you never know. But overall, just enjoying this wilderness and beautiful place out here in the woods. Crossing this power line road right now. There's a power line road that cuts through the whole wilderness. So there's a lot of trails that cross over this area, so it's a little open right here. Pretty hot out too, so once I get back to the trailhead, I'm going to go swimming at a nearby spring, cool off. It's always fun. This area is very hilly as well. A lot of terrain out here. Another good reason to come out and enjoy this wilderness. So I do appreciate everybody following along with my adventures and you watching my videos. It means a lot. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see videos posted weekly.